So let's talk Web Builder. So I wanted to show you the basic functionality of the Web Builder for your individual agent websites. You can access the Web Builder by going to the front page of your Vault, and then right here it says Web Builder. Once you click on that link, it'll build the site, show you everything live, and be in a nice logged in state to be able to manage your Web Builder tools. So let me give you a quick tour about how these tools work, and then you can kind of go out and be dangerous, and we'll do a nice deep Web Builder dive in the next month or so. So basically, here's the site. You've got your basic template here. You've got your background banner image. You've got some background banner videos. As you scroll down, you've got About Me bio. You've got my featured listings and my sold listings. And then down here's contact information. You've got your social links on the top and on the footer. You've got some menu navigation on the left-hand side, and you've got some menu navigation on the right-hand side. And then you've got your little plus icon, which allows you to build out this menu if you want to. So I'm just going to work kind of from left to right. As you have, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video, back it up a little bit, and I'll show you all the things that are possible. So first of all, in the upper left-hand corner, it says hi and then your name. You can manage your featured and sold properties here. By clicking on Manage My Sold Properties, it pulls up my sold properties, and it says, do I want to add another property to my sold list? So this is for in specific situations where maybe you were a member of a team. Everything was listed under your team partner's MLS ID, and so the MLS doesn't have one of your sold properties that you were a part of the whole process. They don't have this listed, or maybe for some of these MLSs, it's not listed as a buyer side sold. So you just type in the MLS ID, you click on search, it shows you the listing, you click yes, and then you're good to go. And then everything that's down here is already ones that you have actually included. Okay? So real briefly, that's how the featured and sold listings work, and that shows up at the bottom of your website. So if we go back to the home page of your website, now let's take a look at how to change the basic template setting. So if I go here to Website Settings and Layout, from here I can dump in my Google Analytics tracking code or my Tag Manager ID. Don't type in both. For those of advanced users using GTM, just type in your Tag Manager ID. Most of the rest of you will just use Google Analytics, which is fine. But down here in the bottom left is this Change Layout button. If I click Change Layout, now I can flip through and take a look at all these different layouts. Most of them are just color changes. Here you've got a layout where your picture goes over to the right-hand side. You've got this nice little thing here. Don't worry about this background picture, because that's a whole different way to change things. That can be changed no matter what. What we're looking at is this the search bars, how the search bars go around the different platform, how they encompass the search, all the different color schemes. So you can flip through, you can see here the search bar comes up to the top as opposed to this nice little one search down here at the bottom. Social media is there. We have some that move over your bar from the right-hand side to the left as well. So you pick a different template, whatever you want, you click select. Once you do that, it refreshes the page, and there's your new template. Okay, so our search moved up here to the top. We've got our headshot over here. We've got all of our information over here, and we're good to go. Okay, so that's how you change the template. Now let's say you want to change this background picture. So in the upper right-hand corner, I click over here on Manage Banner Photos. So I'm at these three little dots that are part of this nice dark red bar. That means I'm logged in to Web Builder. I click Manage Banner Photos, and when I do that, I can either import from the library. So each group, Portland and Denver, will have a whole bunch of unique photos from the area that they can choose from. So I'm in the Denver Web Builder right now. I click Import from Library, and I can pick any of these specific photos that I want. And I don't have to just click one. I could click 5 or 6 and make my own slideshow. So these are a whole bunch that they have preloaded. So we'll go ahead and click X because we don't want to change any. Let me explain to you how that works. Once you select a new banner image here, all of the video that's on this page and the existing still photos will cease to exist on this page. So it won't combine your photo, even if you uploaded an individual photo, it won't combine your photo with the existing photo gallery and video. What it will do is turn off the company photo gallery and video and then turn on your slider. So if you want to get back to this company and video page, all you have to do is go back here to manage banner photos. You'll see a list of the ones that you've loaded. Just X all of them out, and then the system will rebuild the company banner set as it is. Okay? So that's how you manage your banner photo settings. If you want to do a little bit of search engine optimization work, you can by clicking Page Attributes. That'll give you access to all the metadata on the specific page. To add navigation tiles up here, you just click the plus symbol. When you click the plus symbol, this is the label. So find me on Facebook. You can actually link to a page within the system. You can link to a new page that you've already built, or you can link to an outside link. So find me on Facebook. I would drop in my Facebook link here. Do I want it first or do I want it after these other menu navigation things? And do I want it to open in a new window or open within the platform? Okay, so we'll click on cancel. If I want to hide some of these things, so let's say services, I don't want to deal with anybody having to do with relocation. So I highlight relocation and I click this little garbage can. It asks, do I really want to hide that? I click save, and then it's hidden. Now, you're still going to see it here, and you're going to see it here so you can unhide it if you want to. But once you log out and anyone on the outside looks, they will not see relocation any longer on this little nice little menu. So that's how you hide these different things. And that's the different services. This just goes to a form. If I want to create a new page, and you can create as many as you'd like, you click on this settings button and go to new page. Now, when we click on a new page, we have to name the page. So whatever this page name is going to be, that's going to be the URL. That's going to be the end of the URL up here. So we'll say my listing history. Maybe you want to do a nice little thing about your listings in the past. Here you can actually pick a template that you want to do. We'll just pick a wide open template for now. You'd see I had to put dashes in there. That's because it's going to be the end of the URL up here, so I can't do spaces. And I explain that right here. Special characters not allowed with the exception of a hyphen. Okay, so I click on create. I click on create. It goes to here. This page is not in Latin. Basically, I'm just put a whole bunch of dummy text here so you can actually see where the actual space is going to be on the page. So if I want to edit this page now, I go to settings and edit, and then I just type right in wherever I want to start editing. So I can select the whole thing. My WYSIWYG editor pops up. I hit delete. Now I can start my own text here. If I want to drop in video, grab the embed code from YouTube. I just click this little source link and I can drop in video. I can drop in AVM widgets, PHP, RSS readers, whatever you want to do there, you can do. Cut and paste from Word. You can do all your different styling pieces here. You can upload photos, Facebook links, all the stuff that you would want to do. Okay, so a whole bunch of things you can experiment with as you start to build out your own page. So from here, I would click on Save once I've saved this. If I want to change the title here or change any SEO that's in here, I could go ahead and click on Edit and then click Page Attributes. Once I do that, I can say heading is here, title is here. Obviously, you wouldn't put those things. What you would put is something like, my real estate agent history for Portland, or finding excellence in real estate in Boulder. Something like that. You put some things that actually have some bearing to SEO. You could also put a special social media image branded to this page when you share it with a social media title and description. So I click on Save, it reloads the page. When it does that, you can see there's my title and there's my header. So lots of different things that you can do with this. You can actually put banner images up here as well. So if I want to manage my hero banner, basically that's just a nice little expandable responsive banner that goes at the top that makes the page look really nice. Lots of different things you can do. You really can't break anything, but let me show you how to publish this page when you finally get it to the point where it's done. And we'll have deeper webinars on how to do specific things on the web builder, but for now, this will get your feet wet. So this page has been saved. I click on Save. Now I go here to Back Settings, and now this pops up. And this is a publish link. Basically what this will do is take away this preview link within my link structure and make it a live page. But I have to do that. If not, it's just saved in one of my drafts. Okay, so you can come back and work on a page as much as you want. It'll never show up, never be live until you click publish. So we'll go up here, we'll click on publish. Now this page is live. Now that doesn't mean anyone can find it, because you can see it doesn't show up under any of my navigation. So I still have to link it to my navigation, but it is a live page. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to right click and copy. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to click Add Navigation. Where should we put this page? Let's put it under Work With Me. So Work With Me, and then let's put a new submenu under Work With Me. We'll click on New. And we'll put on Listing History. We will link to, remember I went up and grabbed this actual page URL, copy. I'm just going to paste it right here. I want it to be first because it's the only one under there, and I want to open up in the same website. I click Add. And there it is, Work With Me, Listing History. If I want to hide it, I can hide it right away, get rid of it. I can put a subpage underneath it if I want to, and then I can just keep adding things right down the page. So here's my advice to you, is come up with a web strategy and architecture before you dive in and just start creating a bunch of things. Some people will want to make a whole bunch of great pages on specific neighborhoods. That's perfect. Come up with, maybe adding another piece here that says my favorite places, and then 10 things underneath my favorite places for all the different places you want to do. Write the text that you want to do, maybe embed some video, all sorts of really great things that you can do with Web Builder. In a more advanced class, we'll show you how to put jump searches and save searches onto this page as well, which is great for search engine optimization. But this at least gets your feet wet. You can change templates. You can manage all the photos on the home page. You can add as many pages as you want. You can do all sorts of stuff, whatever you want pretty much on those existing pages, and then that will go from there. If you want to edit this bio on the front page, I forgot to mention that, but if you want to edit this bio, as you scroll down here on the home page, you see this little edit button. So when you click edit, it opens up this bio page. We click here, we click into the page, and you can edit it and do whatever you need to. So we'll just get rid of that section right there. You click back over here to settings and you click save. And once you do that, this page is saved. You go back to the home page and there it is. We just got rid of that second paragraph. So all you do there is click edit, and then when you're done, upper right hand corner, click save. So these things will take you a little bit to get used to, but after you get used to them, it'll be second nature for you. Enjoy, go and make lots of great pages on the existing web builder, and we'll have other videos that teach you how to do save searches, jump searches, embed videos, some real advanced stuff in a little bit. Thanks.